Yeah, I received this file.
Yes.
X 20 minus 2x into 15 minus 2x into x. That's it.
Oh, so for the first one, I mean, if you check the first paper, sir, there's like a worksheet where it says second question, a 20-inch by 15-inch sheet of cardboard.
Is it?
Like there are two, sir, your screen is not shared.
Screen is not shared. Okay, okay. Yeah, is it?
Yes, sir, that one.
Is it related to domain and range?
Yes, sir. For this second question, the second one. Yes.
A 20-inch by 15-inch sheet of cardboard is used to create an open-topped box by cutting out squares from each corner. Is it?
Yes, sir, that one.
The sides length of okay, okay. Formulate a function to model the volume of the create box in terms of x. The side, okay, okay. Identify the domain.
Yes, sir. The
Okay,
second
okay.
page is the
The second
volume.
question. Identify the domain and the range of the model function and the domain and the range of the problem situation inequality set interval notation. How do the domain and range of the model function and the domain and the range of the problem situation compare, right? Okay.
For the second picture, sir, that's the volume that I got.
Volume is okay. It
Yes.
is a model function, right?
So those are the questions that have the interval notation and all that. So
Can you see?
yes, sir.
It is a cardboard, right?
Yes, sir.
From this cardboard, a square is removed from one corner
Yes.
from this paper. Same way, squares are removed from the four corners. Squares are removed from the four corners like this.
Yes. Yes, sir.
After removing, it can made to a open box by folding. Just like this, it has become a open box.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
It is open box, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, for that open box, This is that first open sheet.
Yes.
From 4 sides, 4 squares are removed. Okay, later it is converted into this part is removed. Right?
Yes.
After removing that, that is made as a box like this. It has become a box like this. Okay,
Yes.
open box. Is it not correct?
It is correct, sir. I got it.
Okay, anyhow, okay, some box is made. After
Yes.
making that box, it is one side, one view, right? This becomes the length of the box. This
Yes,
is
sir.
the length. This becomes the breadth of the box. This is height of the box. Okay, for that box, length is this, breadth is this, height is this part.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let the side of this corner be x units. Side of this corner is x units, right? Now, what are the original measurements of this box?
20 and 15, sir.
20 and 15.
15.
So, if it is x, it is 20 minus 2x.
Yes, sir.
Why 20 minus 2x? One side x,
Because
one
there
side
are
x.
2 boxes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, now the measurements of the new box are 20 minus 2x and breadth is
15 minus 2x.
15 minus 2x and the height is x. These are the measurements.
Yes.
20 minus 2x, 15 minus 2x, x. Right?
Yes.
Now, a model function is made. A model function is made.
Some model function like
Format a function to model volume for volume.
Yes,
Volume
sir.
formula length into breadth into height.
Height. Yes.
Volume formula length into breadth into height. Let that function be f of x. Twenty minus 2x, 15 minus 2x into x. Right. Okay.
Yes.
It is model function. We can multiply. Then it becomes 20 times 15, 300 into x, 300x. 20 into 2x minus 40x minus 30x
Yes.
minus 70x. That is minus 70x square.
Yes.
Minus 2x into minus 2x plus 4x square. So it is plus 4x cube.
Yes.
If we write it in order, it is 4x cube
Minus 70x
70x square
plus 300x.
Plus 300x. Okay, now it is asking about domain. Domain means how much the length of x can be, how much the side, how much the value of x can be, right?
Yes.
See, it is breadth is smaller. Its actual length is 15 inches.
Yes.
Right? X can't be 15, you know.
Are you writing something, sir?
Cannot see.
I can only see the question, sir, like the question sheet.
Okay, 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 okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, actually, its breadth is 15. Okay. Half of 15 is
7.5.
7.5. So, this x cannot be 7.5.
Yes,
If
sir.
x is 7.5, see, if x is 7.5, then 2x becomes 30. Then
Got
20 minus 2x into 0 into 15. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry, 15. If x is 7.5, then 2x is
Oh, is it 15, sir?
15. 15 minus 15?
0, sir.
0.
There's no 0, brother.
Then volume will become 0. And volume will become 0. And another thing, we can't made a box.
Yes, sir.
We can't made a box. Why? Because
Because
if we
there's no
cut
0.
like this, it is 7.5, it is 7.5, it is 7.5, it is 7.5. Okay. And if we do so, that becomes just like a rectangle, not this type of box.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, after that we folded these two sides. Okay, so we can't made a box with x is equal to 7.5. We choose 15, we choose smaller. Okay, we choose smaller. And if we choose the larger, it is 20 inches. Okay, half of it is 10 inches. Half of it is 10 inches. And we can't cut 10 inches corner, because its maximum is 7.5. If you cut 10 inches corner after 15, it becomes like this. This is cut. So anyhow, it is not possible to make a box if x is equal to 7.5, because it becomes 0.
Yes, sir.
Then volume is equal to 0. The volume is equal to 0 means no such box is made. So what is the domain of this function? X must be
Greater than 7.5.
less than 7.5.
So it can also be greater, no, sir?
If x is greater than 7.5, it has no limit.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah, you are saying it is 15. X must be less than 7.5. Half of 15 is, this is 15. This length is 15. This length is 15. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
What happens if x is greater than 15? Sorry, greater than 7.5? Is it possible?
No,
Is
sir.
it possible to make two corners, two cuts?
No, sir.
No. That's why x must be less than 7.5.
Less than 7.5.
Less than 7.5. And x must be greater than 0.
Yes, sir.
X must be greater than 0. We can't cut 0 side square.
Yes.
At least it should be 0.0.1 inches.
Yes.
So what is the domain? That means what values of x? What is the values of x?
X is greater than 0 but less than 7.5.
7.5. Okay, the value of x is its domain. In any case, in any function, the value of x is its domain. Domain is nothing but the values of x. Okay.
Yes.
Next, what about range? What about range? What about the range means value? What about the volume? What about the volume of this function?
So it can't exceed 20, sir.
20? Tell again.
It can't exceed 20, no, sir.
Exceed 20. Yeah, okay. Let's see something. The highest value. What is the value of highest value? 7.5. Less than 7.5, right?
Yes, sir.
Highest value is less than 7.5. Yeah. The least value? 0.
Yes, sir.
Range means this domain. Okay, well, let us first write domain. Domain is 0 to 7.5. It's okay. Domain power. Next, what is asked there?
Range.
Range is also asked.
Yes, sir.
How to magnify this?
Magnify control plus, sir. Control plus.
Yeah. Okay. First to formulate a function. It's done. Identify the domain and range of a model function. Identify the domain. Okay. Domain of the model function and the domain and the range of the problem situation inequality set. That is inequality set. X greater than 0 and less than 7.5. And interval notation. Okay. Set. Okay. Notation. Okay. How do the domain and the range of the model function and the domain and the range of the problems situation compared? Okay, that's it. Right. First, it is asked set inequality. That is inequality. Inequality means this is inequality.
Yes.
0 less than x less than 7.5. Okay, it is inequality. Set means x such that 0 less than x less than 7.5. This is inequality. This is set. This is interval notation. Interval notation. Interval notation is equal to open 0.75. At this time, you should know about there are two kinds of brackets are there. One kind of interval. This is one kind of interval. This is another kind of interval. Do you know the difference between them?
No, sir.
If you write two numbers between these two type of intervals, say two numbers. Say any two numbers.
2 and 4, sir.
2 and 4. That means this interval. That means this set contains all the numbers including 2 and 4. That means 2 is there, 2.1 is there, 2.01 is there. Sorry, 2.0. Is it 2.01?
Yes.
2.001 is there. And everything. And 4 is also there. 3.9 is there. 3.99 is there. Okay, like that. All the numbers are in this set, are in this interval. Okay. If we use this bracket, this type of bracket for this 2, 4, 2.01 is there, but 2 is not there. Excluding 2 and 4, all the numbers between 2 and 4. This means.
Sir, and also this symbol like E, does that mean excluded, sir?
I will. Is it?
Oh, yes, sir. That one.
It means, for example, 2.1 belongs to that set. If we name that set as A, 2.1 belongs to that set. It is called as belongs to.
Okay.
That means this set contains this element.
Yes.
So open, this is called open bracket. This is called closed bracket, closed interval. It is closed, it is open.
Yes.
So here, what do you say? 0 can be there in this interval, in this box. 0 inches can be taken. Can we cut 0
No,
inches
sir.
of it? No.
No.
That's why 0 is not included. That's why I use this bracket, open bracket.
Yes.
At the same time, we can't cut 7.5 inches. We can't cut
Yes.
7.5 inches. That's why 7.5 is excluded.
Yes.
That's why I use this. Got it? So
Yes.
interval notation is open 0, 7.5.
Yes.
0, 7.5. And range is asked. Range is nothing but its answer. Range is nothing but its answer. Okay.
Yes.
What is its value if x is equal to 0?
0, sir.
0. So range starts from 0. Range
Yes.
volume can be 0. See, I am telling you, what if x is equal to 1?
1.
Yeah.
That will be 4 minus 70 plus 300.
What I tell? 4 minus. We are
4
putting x equal to 4. 4 minus
70 plus 300.
Yeah. 4 minus 70 minus 66. Plus 300. 366.
366.
So volume can be 366 cubic units. Okay.
Yes.
Up to which number we can put? So this is in the part of range. This is an element in the range. Range
Yes, sir.
contains this value. So
Yes, sir.
the range is nothing but the set of all these values, all the values of f of x. Simply I am saying, if you say f of x is equal to x square, what is its minimum value?
1, sir.
0, 0, 0. Minimum value. We are not thinking about box
0. Yes.
generally. Its minimum value is 0.
Yes, sir.
Maximum value, no maximum value. It has no limit. Unlimited.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
range of this function is
0
to infinity. It is called range.
Yes, sir.
Of course, we can increase the values of x. If x equal to 1, its value 366. Its value 366. I think it is a maximum value, right? Okay. If we increase the value of x, volume becomes smaller.
Sir, but for f of x equals x square, it can also be negative infinity, no, sir?
We can't get negative value for this function.
Oh.
Take some value.
Sir, 2,
X is
sir?
equal
2?
2. It becomes 4.
Oh, yes, sir. Got it.
We can't get negative value for this function, right?
Negative value,
Coming to the
yes.
point. If we increase the value of x, if we increase the values of, the volume becomes 0. Volume becomes less.
Yes, sir.
The more the value of x, the less the volume. Yeah. To get bigger box, okay. To get bigger box, we need smaller x value. To get bigger box, we need smaller x value, right? Now,
Yes.
what we are dealing is differentiation, right?
Yes, sir.
The concept of differentiation is used here. Tell, for example, what is the function here? Do you remember?
F of x equals x square, sir? That's what
4x cube.
Oh, 4x. 4x cube minus 70x square.
4x cube minus
70x square
okay
plus 300x.
Do you remember how to find differentiation? That is called f dash of x. Derivative.
The k one, sir.
Yeah, n into x to the power of n minus 1.
Minus 1. Oh, first one. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell.
D of dx times x to the power n equals n x to the power n minus 1.
Okay. What is derivative of x cube? Do you remember?
X cube, sir. 3x.
3 into 4, 12x square.
Oh, that way. Yes, sir.
Minus
Minus
70 into 2x,
70
140x.
to 1.
70
Derivative of x is 1, sir.
70
So
into
300.
300. Very good. Now we need to solve it, making it equating to 0 and solve it.
Oh, 300 times 12.
First of all, we can cancel 4 table.
Oh, yes, sir.
Cancel 4
3.
table, 3x square minus 35x plus 75.
0.
Okay.
Yes.
Canceling 4 table. 4.
Yes.
4 3 is 12. 12 by 4 is equal to 3.
Yes.
140 by 4 is 35. 300 by 4 is 75. Can you
Yes, sir.
factorize it now? You know how to factorize?
Yes, sir. 75 times 3.
3 times 75. That is 225.
225.
1 into 225, 2 not goes. 3 into 75, 4, 5. 5 times
5
45.
times 25.
5 times 45.
Okay.
It
So
can't be
40
35.
can be 35.
Yeah, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 2 nines are 18.
Or 9.
2 nines are 18. 45. 9 times 25. Yeah, 9 times 25. It can't be 35.
No, sir. It can be 30. It's a 3 table. Will that work?
3 times 75.
Oh, sorry.
Next 9, 10, 11, 15.
If I
15 times 15.
15 times 15, sir.
It can't be 35.
So 17 should work.
70. No.
17, sir. 1 7.
1 7. No, 17 table doesn't go in it. Yeah,
So
next
25.
15, 16, 17, 18.
19.
18 is not possible.
22.
25,
25.
20.
So we can look for 35 now, sir.
35?
Like, what do we add to get 35 so we can substitute it with 75?
I think there is no factors for it.
Say sure, sir. Do we have to use quadratic equation? 225, 15.
Yeah. One method is to solve these values. To find its maximum value, one method is to solve these values. Can we get? Is this equation correct only? Let's think about it. 20 into 15, 300x. 20 into minus 2x, minus 40x. Minus 40x into minus 40x, minus 30x. 40 plus 30 is 70 x square. That's correct. Next, minus 2x into minus 2x plus 4x square. Length, volume is equal length into breadth into height. Volume, yes. Four x cube. 20 into 15, 30, 300 correct only. 300x correct only. Next, 22s are 40. 2 into 15, 30. 40 plus 13, 300, 140, 12x square. Right, correct only. This equation correct only.
Yes, sir.
Right. Next, its derivative. 4x cube minus 70x plus 300x. 4 into x cube derivative 3x square. Correct only. 70 into x square derivative 2x. 2 into 70, 140. 300x, 300. Okay, that's right. Dividing each term by 4, 12 by 4, 3. 140 by 4.
35.
35 correct only. Next 300 by 4. 150 by 7 correct only. There are no factors for this.
3600. Sir, what if we do it from 300 things, sir? It will be 36 3600.
What is 3600?
300 times 12 is 3600. No, sir.
Okay, even then we can't get factors. Do you have factors for that?
No, sir.
Okay, of course there are some functions. Of course we can't get fractions. We need to get in roots. I'm telling it now.
Yes. We need to use quadratic equation.
Yeah, formula.
Equals.
I will tell.
Equal to.
See, right. A is 3. B is minus 35. C is 75.
25.
Yeah. 3x square minus 35x plus 75 equals 0. Yeah, roots are there. Those are 2.83.
2.83.
And 2.82.
2.82.
Oh, okay, that are 35 by 6 plus or minus something like this.
Yes.
Yeah, 2.82, 2.83. Yeah, using formula minus b plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac. That's
Yes.
once.
Negative.
Range is actually asked.
Sir?
Actually, range is asked or not?
Yes, sir. But my sir was asking me to use Desmos, graph it there, and just check the range, sir.
Desmos
Yes, sir.
means what is Desmos?
Sir, the graphing thing, remember I told you, sir?
Okay,
There's a
okay,
website.
yeah,
Desmos.
draw graph for
Go.
the function. Okay, by drawing graph.
Yes, it will graph it for us. So he wants me to check it, but I didn't know how to check it because the graph was like this.
Okay, just wait. Yeah, it's also done. Just now I saw. Okay, one second. Desmos means it is a software.
So it's a website, sir. You go to Google and you're like
Okay.
Desmos.
Okay. Because
it's much more easier and understandable graphing methods.
what if what about in exams?
So they teach us this all and they'll ask me to give exams. So that's it.
Okay. Okay, Desmos. Yeah, just we want. Yeah. Yeah, domain is okay. Roots of v function are values of v are positive.
The domain and also for 7.5, will it not be less than or equal to 7.5, sir? Even though for the domain 7.5 will give us the volume 0.
Volume 0. Yeah.
Yes, sir, but we see the graph, it's on 7.5 now, sir.
On 7.5.
Like
that means volume is 0.
Like if we graph it, sir.
Yeah. Do you have graph? Yeah, may I give you host to you?
Yes, sir, that should work. Yeah. Share screen then.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, yes. Okay. So can you see my screen?
Yeah.
So if we are
It's in Desmos. Okay. It okay.
so it gives us this way, no, sir.
Yeah, right. Okay.
So when I asked it
Yeah,
for
that's right. That's what is 7.5, right. X must
so
be X must be
yes,
in between 0 and 7.5.
and he said the max, like for the last question,
Yeah.
for the fourth one, the maximum volume is somewhat
Yeah.
370.
It is just like this is 300. That is the highest value. That is 300 or 400, nearly 400. That is called
Yes.
its range.
So how do we write the range for the
Yeah, right. I'm telling.
inequalities?
Range is 0 to this value, highest value.
0 to
Nah, I'm
379.
telling. Yes. Can we write on it?
You I don't know, so you should write. I'll see if this is gonna work.
Yeah, just wait. Annotations is allowed. If annotation.
Oh yes, if you click annotation, I can see.
Where we can see annotation?
So it'll be in the Zoom thing, sir. The where you see
A
me.
comparison
That's
reactions real.
annotation.
Annotation is not there. I think. Hot disabled participant screen sharing. Okay. Yeah, nothing but see 0 is there on x-axis.
Yes, sir.
The highest value. There is a bracket 2.89.
Yes.
2.829 comma 379.038.
Yes, sir.
The second number is its range.
370.
The second number is highest value.
Yes, sir.
379.038 is its highest value.
Yes, sir.
The highest value of volume.
Yes, sir.
Highest value of volume is 379.038.
Yes, sir.
Least value is 0.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, by practically we can understand that the least value of volume is 0 units.
Yes, sir.
Highest value is 379.038. Right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that will be the range.
Yes, sir.
Range is okay.
Yes.
Open 0, 379.038. Domain, yes, calculate domain is 7.5.
Yes, sir. So, but
simply, I'm telling one thing.
Yes, sir.
Domain is the values on x-axis.
Yes, sir.
Range is values on y-axis.
Yes, sir.
Domain x-axis, range y-axis.
Y-axis. Yes, sir.
What's the domain? 0 to 7.5.
7.5.
Yeah. Next range?
0 to 379.038.
Yes. That is range.
Yes, sir.
Desmos. Of course, we can get this value by using the formula minus b plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a.
Yes, sir. So the 7.8, should it be considered lesser than equal to 7.5, or is it just less than 7?
Talking about domain?
Yes, sir.
It must be less than, I think, because if it is equal to 7.5, the volume becomes 0. Okay. Of course, practically it may not possible. But algebraically, yeah, 0 volume.
Oh, okay, sir.
Volume becomes 0, right? Is there answer for it?
No, sir. There is no answer key for the entire worksheet.
Yeah. That is 0.75, excluding 0.75.
Okay.
Yeah, right. Okay, right.
So for this graph, you know how volume is only the positive side and not the negative side of the graph?
Yeah, because volume cannot be negative.
Yes, sir. But for intercept,
see, one thing. Yeah, only positive side is there because x cannot be taken minus. We can take minus 1 inch. You can cut. You can cut minus 1 minus 1 inches. Sorry, you can cut 1 inches, 2 inches,
Yes.
3 inches, up to 7.5 inches. If you cut
Yes.
7.5 inches, it becomes like this. Yeah, see, I am telling, if we cut 7, it is 15, okay? It is 15. If you cut 7.5, it becomes this. Okay. If you cut 7.5 from this side, it becomes this. The total part is removed.
It's gone. Yes.
It can't. That's why you can't 7.5. Of course, this side
Yes.
also it becomes.
Yes, so that also is
So
gone.
if we try to make, yeah, it is possible to form a box. Right. Yeah, and one thing, we can take 1 point, we can cut 1.5 inches, 1 inches, 2 inches, up to 7.5 inches. Below 7.5 inches. But we can't get 0 inches.
Yes, sir.
We can't cut minus 1 inches.
Yes, sir.
We can't cut minus 2 inches, minus 3 inches, minus 4 inches. That's why negative side is not there. Negative side is
Yes.
not drawn because negative value of x is not taken.
So, but what if the y-intercept is in negatives? Will that work?
Yeah, because volume. Okay, it is about it's the volume function. Volume of any box must be positive.
Yes, sir. That's for domain and range. But what if it's x-intercept and y-intercept?
On x-axis.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It's over.
Exactly.
I think domain and range over. You are talking
Yes.
about x-intercept, y-intercept. I'll tell. Okay,
Yes.
it's different concept. X-intercept and y-intercept are different concept. See clearly by
Sir,
drawing a graph. Now see. Can you see graph board now?
I can see the black whiteboards.
Whiteboard, yes. I'm telling clearly. Note this point. See, it is x-axis. We are talking about the function which cannot take negative values. We are drawing a function which cannot take negative values, right?
Yes, sir.
See, if there is a function like this, these are called x-intercepts.
Yes, sir.
This is called y-intercept.
Yes, sir.
This is y-intercept.
Yes.
This is x-intercept. Okay, in this graph, is it something like this?
Yes, sir.
It is 0. It is x-intercept. It is x-intercept.
Yes, sir.
Okay, there is no y-intercept for this graph. Because,
so, but 0 can be y-intercept.
No, 0 is origin. Intercept means length. Intercept means length.
Yes.
Actually, see, it is a straight line, okay?
Yes.
This is called x-intercept.
Yes.
X-intercept means the length on x-axis, the length of the line segment on x-axis made by that curve or line.
Yes, sir.
This line cuts x-axis at this point.
Yes.
The distance between origin and this point is called x-intercept.
Yes, sir.
X-intercept, not intersect.
Oh, intercept. Yes.
Intercept, okay?
Yes, sir.
Right. So this length is called x-intercept.
Yes.
Here x-intercept is 0.75 because the distance from 0 to this point is 0.75.
Yes.
But can we get this type of length on y-axis?
No, sir.
No. That's why y-intercept is simply 0.
Yes, sir.
Y-intercept is nothing but the distance between the point at which the curve meets y-axis and the origin. This is called y-intercept.
Yes.
X-intercept is nothing but the distance from origin to the point where the curve meets x-axis.
Yes, sir.
This is called x-intercept. Now tell what is x-intercept and what is y-intercept?
Oh, the x-intercept is 7.5 and y-intercept is 0.
Just 0, right?
Yes.
Is it?
Yes.
Any more else?
Nothing, sir, this time.
Okay. I will give brief. Yeah, just first go through that function. Try to open that that file. Is it open to you?
Yes, sir.
Is it open?
Yes, sir.
Just go through it first, and I will give clear explanation regarding domain, range, and intercepts.
Yes, sir, and also the interval notations with the brackets and all.
Definitely, I will give clear explanation about interval notation, set notation, and inequality notation.
Yes.
Yeah, definitely. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow is a holiday for me.
20. Wait.
Republic
Sir,
Day. Republic Day. Same. Do you want same time or different time? Yeah, even if holiday for me, it is not holiday for you.
Oh, sir, but isn't it 25th?
Is it not 25th? Is tomorrow? Today is 25th.
Yes.
Yeah, to you it is 24th, I think.
Yes.
Yeah.
24th.
Yeah. Tomorrow or same time or 5:30 or 5:30 to me or like that.
Sir, it's okay, sir. It's okay if it's late, sir.
Yeah, late.
Tomorrow is
Okay.
Thursday, no, so it's
Maybe 5:30 or 5:45.
yes, sir.
Only for
That will-
tomorrow. And the day of tomorrow is working day for me. Okay, right. Okay.
Yes.
First go through that file, functions file.
Yes.
Okay. Right.
Yes, sir.
Study as much as you understand.